I'm going to tell y'all a story today, okay, nail crew? I'm going to tell y'all a story about how somebody did their nails. They thought they did a good job. They went out of town and then broke 2 nails. Not 1, but 2, okay? So if you want to hear how this story went, just keep watching. All right, YouTubers, good morning. I'm so upset right now. On the way to the gym, and my freaking nail breaks. Like, what the fuck? And I knew something was going to happen because when I was doing them, I don't know if you watched that video, but if you have not, watch it. I will put a link in the description box below so you can watch it. But I knew something was going to go down because when I was applying it, it was so milky, it was so cloudy. I don't know if it was old, I don't know if it was stale, but you best believe I am going to contact that company and have them send me another container. Like, what the fuck? Now I gotta go find some nail glue. I think the reason I'm so upset is because I'm in Jacksonville and I don't have any nail stuff with me. And also, I didn't do anything for this nail to break. Like, last time I had a thumbnail break is because I slammed my finger in the washing machine. Like, you deserve to break. But today, I literally was taking my clothes out the suitcase. Like, I took out one shirt and boop, my nail broke. So, Gelike Polygel, I'm going to write y'all a letter. Prepare. Because y'all going to have to send me some shit. Like, y'all going to have to get me right. Like, now I got to go to the nail store, Walmart, Target, somewhere, get some glue so I don't walk around the rest of Jacksonville with a broken nail. That is just so ratchet to me. Like, let me get my life together. I'm about to go eat some breakfast, y'all. Go work out, breathe. Let me breathe, y'all. I don't know why. I'm just so aggravated. Like, this just really, really, really pissed me off because I got so many plans today. I got so many plans for this weekend. And you don't want to go out. You're in a whole different city. You're going to be having cute dresses. You're going to be having heels. You're going to be having, like, you're going to be looking cute, bitch. And you have a broken nail. That just makes you look just a little less elite. And, like, yeah, I'm just not with it. I'm just, so all right, let me go eat breakfast. Let me go work out. Let me go find some nail glue, and we're gonna turn this whole weekend around. But if another nail breaks this weekend, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna treat my hands and my nails like little geishas, and I'm gonna be walking around like this for the rest of the weekend, y'all. All right, I'm at Walmart in the glue section, and I don't want nail glue, so I'm not going to the nail glue section. I need some heavy duty shit, so I might get some Gorilla Glue. This might be what I use. So we'll see. I'll let you guys know how well it holds on. All right, y'all, here we go. So I found this file in the bottom of my purse. I don't know why I packed a nail file, but I never packed any nail glue. So anyway, I did have that nail file. Here is the glue. I ended up going with the gel because Gorilla Glue has a gel. This is the gel, and then it has like a regular glue, I guess you would call it. But I figured, hey, let's just go with the thickest one. So this is the one I chose. Now, everyone has their own method of gluing on nails. This is just my method, and I've never really broken a nail that I had to fix like this before. It's been years since I've broken a nail like this. So, I mean, I'm sure you guys will, give me some tips in the comments. But what I like to do is rough up or score the edges that I'm going to apply the glue on, because when the edge is rougher, it has somewhere for the glue to sit and seep into, and it just makes it stick a little bit better. I learned that from pottery. When I was a kid, I used to do pottery, and before you connected the two edges, you had to score them. So anyway, that's what I was doing. But you don't want to over file, because then you would lose the shape that the nail broke into. So literally just some very light scratches. And I applied some of this gel right onto the tip of the nail, as you see me doing here. And then I am going to just go ahead and connect the two. Once you connect them, you'll notice that there is some gel that squeezes to the top. I don't know if you guys can see that because my lighting is off. I'm not home. Like, I did not plan to film and record. Like, nothing is set up right. So just roll with me. But after the nail is stuck, like they're together, then you're going to take some more of that gel and just go on top. And I know it's weird to go on top, but it's allowing you to make another layer to the nail. It's making it a little bit thicker. It's making it stronger. So I like to put a layer on top. Let that layer dry and then do it again. So 2 to 3 layers on top. I know that's weird, guys. I know that's weird, but trust me, it works. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm just smoothing out the gel glue that's on top of the nail. I'm not squeezing any more gel out. So just to recap, I've scored the edges a little bit. I've put the gel glue on the nail, connected them, and then I put some gel glue on top of the entire nail. That's just going to add a little bit more strength and keep it together longer. And now I'm just wiping the glue in, making it smooth. I'm not applying any more glue. So, I mean, it looks really good. Look at the side view. It doesn't look lumpy or anything like that. I mean, I feel like it's going to be, I think it's going to work. So, we'll see. This Gorilla Glue, let's see how you do me. Let's see if you do me right. But I think it's okay. So, I'll keep you guys posted. You know I'm going to keep you posted. Alright, so you're not going to believe this. So, after you glue the nails on, and you do like 2 or 3 layers to make it as thick as you want it to be, then you're supposed to buff and file and make it flat again, right? So I was going to show you guys that. But I said, all right, let me go eat, take a shower. I just got out the shower. And then I'll record the rest of the video. Well, while I was in the shower, another nail broke. I wasn't even doing nothing. I reached for the rag. Bloop, felt. I heard something fall. It was my nail. So now I have to record me gluing on another nail. My lips are dry. I don't know, y'all. I don't know about this product. I'm kind of pissed. About to eat. Alright, so y'all, I'm about to eat. With my nail on. I can't believe this. And I'm going out tonight. I'm going out with a broken nail. I was gonna try to just glue them on and let them rock for like a week or two. Like, oh, maybe that was my fault. Maybe I fucked up. But now, as soon as I get home, I'm popping all of them off. It's a wrap. Alright, so I'm outside. I'm just going to go ahead and just record me doing my nails outside because it's really pretty. I got my phone propped up on this mason jar, so that's what you see to the right. And I'm very sorry, guys. I'm very sorry. Like, I wasn't prepared for this, alright? But anyway, this is the nail. It broke, and what I'm showing you is like, I felt like I made my nails thick enough to support the length, but I don't know, guys. I don't know. This just, I don't know. Alright, let me go ahead. I'm just going to do a very, very light file or scoring of the edges so the glue sticks better, just like I did my thumb. My thumb is still on, though. My thumb is still hanging on. Alright, here we go. I got this Gorilla Gel Glue, and I'm going to apply that to the tip, just exactly the same as I did the thumb. just apply a little of that glue and then connect the two tips. Well, the tip and the base. And hold that in place for a little bit. Now here's the problem. Once I buff my nails, I know that it's gonna remove the shine. But I don't have any clear polish. You're supposed to buff it, make it nice and flat and smooth and pretty again, and then just apply some clear polish on top so that you get back that shine. But again, I did not pack any clear polish because this was not supposed to happen. So I don't know what I'm gonna do to make them shiny, but I'll figure that out. Here I am just going over the top with the gel glue. And I did do 2 layers of this as well. So you just want to make sure that it dries in between each layer. So put a layer, you know, just leave your hands alone, let it dry. It doesn't take that long to dry. And then apply a second layer. And then what you see me doing now is I'm just trying to build a small little apex. So my nails do have a natural curve and they do curve well. And my apex is normally very well defined. But maybe this set, I don't know, guys. I don't know. Alright, so I don't have a buffer. I did not bring a buffer, so I found this file in my bag. I had 2 files, guys. I had this one, which is a softer grit file, and then I had the black one, which was more of a rougher grit file. And I'm going to go with this one because it's closer to a buffer, and I'm just going to buff the top of my nails just to make sure that they're nice and smooth. So when I'm rubbing my hand against my nails, it doesn't feel all bumpy. Like, that would annoy me. So I got it nice and smooth. It feels good. I'm just going to touch up my shape a little bit. And I still don't know what I'm going to use to make it shiny because I don't have clear polish and I don't have any of my cuticle oil. But, oh my goodness, I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know what I'm going to use to make it shiny. Maybe I'll just like keep my hands down and nobody would notice. I should have got some clear polish from Walmart when I was there getting the glue, but I didn't even think about it. I was just so focused on getting the glue and fixing my nail, but I'll figure it out, guys. Alright, so I got dressed, got my hair, everything, and my nails are still on, so we're gonna see what it's like. I still gotta put on my shoes and get my purse and all that stuff together, so we're gonna see if by the time I put my shoes on, by the time I get my purse and stuff together, am I still gonna have nails? Like, all I have to do is make it till tomorrow. If I can make it till tomorrow with this set, I'm straight, because I'm going home tomorrow. And I don't care because I'm going to get a whole new set anyway. But I cannot go out tonight with this on and some broken ass nails. Alright, so I'm about to pack my bag. And I am definitely bringing the Gorilla Glue. And then I'm going to bring these 2 files. Some nail files and some glue just in case. Hopefully I don't need it, but I'll definitely keep you updated. I can just cross my fingers and hope I'm not out in these streets looking embarrassed. What the fuck, man? Like, this never happens. This never happens. Now I'm out of town with nothing. And everybody else is trash. I just want to do an update. I went out last night. We was out all night. We had a fucking blast. The Gorilla Glue held on. My nails did not pop off. And I went to bed. I thought they was going to pop off in my sleep. But I woke up. They all still hanging strong. So, oh, excuse me. I'm tired as hell, man. But I just ate breakfast at Waffle House. And now I'm going to the gym. I just need these nails to just take me to the end of the day. And then when I get home tonight, I'll pop them off. But if we could just a couple more hours with these nails. So I am leaving. I'm heading back home. Leaving my little weekend getaway place. All my nails are still intact. So yay! Thumbs up. The glue worked. I didn't lose any more nails, so that's always a thumbs up. And great, I can get home and pop them all off, soak them all off, and get ready for a new set. So the weekend went great. And I didn't look crazy without any nails. So nail crew, I just want to say I appreciate you guys listening to me vent. I really appreciate it. Man, I thought I was going to Jacksonville looking cute. I thought my nails was going to be popping. You know, I had like my whole outfits together. And then boop, boop, not one but two nail break. And I was just in awe. Like, I was just so aggravated. But you know what? It's all good. It's all good. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber already, and then leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this whole fiasco. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. I'm definitely going to do a follow-up and let you know how the Gorilla Glue held on and how well it soaked off. So my next video will probably be me soaking these nails off, and then you can see how well it soaks off. You can see how well the Gorilla Glue breaks down in the acetone, and then you can also see how well this poly gel breaks down in acetone. Am I going to have to file it off? Is it going to be a soak off? I don't know. Stay tuned and we shall find out together.